What's the meaning of chiromancer? Chiromancer. Chiromancer.
Chiromancer. Chiromancer. Chiromancer refers to a practitioner of the art of palm reading or palmistry. This practice involves studying the lines, shapes, and markings on an individual's hands to provide insight into their character traits, future prospects, and potential life events. Chiromancy is an ancient and widely used form of divination, and is often associated with occult or mystical beliefs. While its scientific validity is debated, practitioners of chiromancy claim that it can provide valuable insights into a person's personality, life path, and destiny based on the unique patterns present in their hands.